Hey everyone, if OnlyOffice keeps crashing, closes unexpectedly, or freezes while you're working, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help make OnlyOffice stable again. First, restart your computer. Temporary system glitches can sometimes cause applications to crash. Next, close unnecessary programs running in the background. Yeah, low memory and heavy system usage can cause OnlyOffice to become unstable. Make sure you're using the latest version of OnlyOffice. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Try opening a different document, so if only one file causes crashes, that specific document may be corrupted. Some antivirus programs can interfere with applications. Temporarily disabling protection can help identify whether that's the cause. Make sure your device has enough free storage. Yeah, low disk space can affect performance and stability. If hardware acceleration is enabled, try turning it off. Graphics compatibility issues can sometimes trigger crashes. Outdated graphics drivers can also cause random crashes. Installing the latest drivers may solve the problem. If crashes continue, uninstall and reinstall OnlyOffice. So a fresh installation can repair damaged program files. Malware or unwanted software can affect application stability. Yeah, running a security scan is always a good idea. If nothing works, contact OnlyOffice support for additional assistance. They may be able to identify deeper software or compatibility issues, and that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped fix the OnlyOffice crashing problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.